Alright guys, we're gonna be showing you how to do a sprinkler system. If you want to connect the sprinklers. So what you're gonna want to do is you need an observer, you need a redstone repeater, you need redstone dust, you need a redstone torch, you need a piston, and you need a dispenser. And you need some blocks so you can go up to the roof. So what you're gonna want to do is wherever you're placing it, I placed it right there. So then you have to make sure the red part facing, you see this red part, make sure it's facing the red zone. Gonna go all the way up there, and you're gonna go here. So what you're gonna want to do is do this. So the redstone torch will break. So yeah, the redstone torch will break. And this is so if, say for example, if I put an observer here and I connected it to the dropper and I put water buckets inside, connected to the fire alarm system. If the observer detected a fire, the dropper would dispense water, right? But then the water might hit the observer. Then it's going to do it again. It's going to keep doing it. And then the fire alarm will go off. The fire alarm may stop as well. So you don't want to do that. So this is why this is the purpose of this. So to only do it one time. Not a million times. So you only want a short, quick burst of current, of power. That's all you want. Because then if it, I like to call it steady power. This is like steady power. Where it's just endless, continuous power going. So yeah, so basically when you do this, you're basically free. You can put the droppers anywhere now. It's not recommended to put, it's not recommended to, oh, there you go. Alright. And we might use this fire alarm system right here. The one that we were doing on how the steps to create a fire alarm system. My way of doing it, but this is a smart move actually. This is like 500 IQ. I have 500 IQ right now. Okay, so to play stuff on the dropper, you just gotta sneak. Because if you don't sneak, it's gonna do that. So just sneak. Whatever your controls are to sneak. Okay. Place another one right here. Oh. Place another one right here. I'm gonna do a short little example. I'm gonna put a little bit of water in this one. Observer. Water bucket. Just to show you. Or you can do water bottles. Yeah, before that, but which one is your pick? You can do water bottles, you can do any. But I mean, you have to refill it, to be honest. You do have to refill it. Alright. And I'm gonna put that in there. This is just a short little example. Get out. Wait, no, get out. Should have disabled mob spawning. Alright. So it's basically ready to go. It's ready to go. And make sure there are no openings on the bottom. No openings on the bottom here. Hold on. Away from the redstone. The redstone's gonna... So here's a little example. See? It's only doing it one time. It's only doing it one time. So as you can see, the redstone torch is broken. This block is placed over here as well. Just for fun, why not? So that's how it pretty much works. So then you basically have your sprinkler system. And if you wonder how to stop the water, just do this, I guess. Or you can just do this. Just do that, I guess. And low key, it's kind of a lot of work. It's kind of a lot of work. It's kind of a lot of work, a little bit, kind of. But I mean, yeah, if you don't want it to fail, then yeah, that's just my way of doing it. So then you basically have your make sure disconnect that. Oh, make sure disconnect that and behind the observer when you're placing your redstone torch. When you're placing your redstone torch and you're putting redstone here, make sure to disconnect here, but make sure you disconnect here first. This right here first. Oh, I should have disconnected it first. Alright, so you basically have your sprinkler system. So now we're going to do a demonstration. And it might be a little bit of work, but it's very effective. I think we need some light in here. So I'm going to get a few water buckets. That's a lot of water buckets. You only want to put one in there. You only want to put one. Only put one water bucket. Unless you're placing... Bro, I should have turned off those noises. How do you turn off the noises, bro? I'm gonna find out. And I'm gonna get a piece of fire. Fire charge. Yeah. Also, here's another thing. If you're actually testing your thing for fire, what you're gonna want to do is you want to place blocks that cannot catch on fire. Place blocks that cannot catch on fire. So the redstone doesn't break, so the fire alarms, nothing like that will fail. So you can see. You see what it's doing? It is working very effective. So yeah, so all you want to do. Oh. Just place. Oh, hold on. It might be a pain. It might be a little bit of a pain. Place. So yeah, just do that. Also, don't worry. If you hear the piston doing that, just know. No power, no current is getting received to this. It's to block the current and stuff. So. Oh. Make sure to place it 4 blocks away. Make sure to place this observer 4 blocks away. As you can see. What? So there's the piston right here. And the block right here. You want to place it 4 blocks away. So, yep. Or maybe 3. You could place it 4 or 3. At least 3 blocks away. Less than that, then your system will fail. Ah, it's kind of a pain. It is really kind of a pain. Fuck. Now we're going to connect it to the fire alarm system. So there you go. Now we're going to connect it to the fire alarm system. So like I said, you're going to want to connect the redstone torch back. Oh, I thought that was a solar eclipse for a second. So disconnect that part first. I mean, you don't have to disconnect that. Then do that. And then place that. And now we're going to connect it to the fire alarm system. So the redstone behind this, that's the redstone reveal. So what we're going to do is, like I said, grab this little doohickey right here. Wait, no. Oh, 9 minutes. We have to hurry up. I mean, we have 5 minutes. It should pretty much take... We're good. We're pretty much good. So what you're going to want to do here, you're going to want to do the same thing. What you're going to do, you're going to place... You're going to actually want to place piston right here. This observer right here. Oh, I hear a car honking outside. Wait. To get those. So if you want to connect it to the fire alarm system, so gotta work. You're gonna bring that redstone right there. Then we gotta take it. We're gonna take it up to the roof. Hold on. We're gonna take it up to the roof. Yeah, it's kind of a pain, but that's how. It's how. I mean, it's more simpler. It's kind of more simpler. Or more basic. This is literally 500 IQ. Literally 500 IQ. Alright, you're gonna connect it, do the same thing with the fire alarm system. So yeah, you want to do the same thing. You want to connect it right there and just bring it around. And that's pretty much it. Do that, do that. And then connect it to there, connect it to there. And you're pretty much set for your sprinkler and fire alarm system. So then refill it with buckets, refill the stuff with buckets. I'm gonna change the speed of the fire alarms. What speed is it on? Okay, it's on that speed. Okay, good. Also, here's another tip. Here's another mistake. Hold on. Oh, wait. Alright. Just making sure. Alright. And Loki, I cannot talk today, bro. Okay. Now we're going to put that there. Oh, wait. We'll take that empty bucket out. Take that empty bucket out. Take this empty bucket out. Bro, why is there a car honking outside? Okay, so make sure it's all refilled. Make sure everything is connected and all good. The fire alarm system and sprinkler system is ready. Is now ready. So it is now ready. So now it's ready. So it should work like this. It should work like this. Sorry, I had to cut the video. I accidentally hit the pause. And you can reset it the same way. So, yep, that is how you create a sprinkler system. Thank you guys for watching, and comment, like, and subscribe. Trouble alarm, replaced with a stun wire.